Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening on to this video on needs analysis and enterprise resource planning implementations. So the first step to any successful ERP package we feel is a needs analysis. The analogy here is you would never go into a final exam without doing your homework or studying for it, and the needs analysis really is a study to make sure that you're correctly identified your needs and you're selecting the correct package. So key people are interviewed in your company to gather your company's ERP requirements, and the interviews are then consolidated into a needs analysis, and then each department's requirements are summated with a prioritized list of system requirements and reporting requirements. The other thing that we're looking for is themes during the needs analysis. So in other words, if multiple departments are requesting the same thing, that instantly puts that requirement to the top of the list because it then becomes, of course, mission critical. So sections of the needs analysis are returned to the appropriate departments for review after we do the initial write-up. Any additional information is then incorporated into the master document, and any corrections are then incorporated into the master document. This gives the company an opportunity to make sure that everything that was stated was correctly interpreted, as well as sometimes we see it happen many times where somebody will read their interview summary and they go, "Oh my gosh, I forgot this or I forgot that." So it gives them a second chance to add any additional information that would be critical to the requirements for an ERP package. Then the finalized version of the needs analysis is delivered to you. So the next step is in the package selection. So what we essentially do is we take the summary from each of the sections in the needs analysis and send it off to prospective ERP vendors. This really optimizes and expedites the package selection process because you can really quickly include or exclude potential ERP package vendors. If you've seen a lot of times what happens is an ERP package vendor will do a dog and pony, and they'll focus on all the great things that they do, even though that may not even be appropriate to your situation. So we like to give that ahead of time so that the ERP vendor can address how they're going to specifically address your needs. Again, I mentioned that, and then finalists are then granted a demo with the client, and then an ERP package is selected. So during the system implementation, the ERP package is implemented using the needs analysis as a guideline for critical decisions. So it is always a living document, and the appropriate network infrastructure is established to support the ERP package. Data from existing systems, we figure out a data migration strategy to get the old stuff, what you want to migrate, how much you want to migrate, how we're going to get the new data into the new system, and then users are trained on the package, and then your company goes live with the new package. So for more information on ERP implementations for your company, you can contact me, Alan Sagano, at 310-541-8584 at extension 100, and then use the Find This Person Now feature to have the call forwarded onto my cell phone, or you can email me, Alan Sagano, at asugano@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.